Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Moto G04 smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to deactivate double tap to turn off the screen in your phone Moto G04. Suppose if you have activated double tap to turn off the screen, now if you would like to deactivate this feature, yes, you can do it. What you have to do is go to settings of your phone here, then go to settings first, then go to gestures, and here select put the display to sleep and turn off this button, put the display to sleep. Now if you double tap on home screen, it will not be locked, okay, because already settings is now turned off. Okay, so in this way you can easily deactivate double tap to turn off the screen in your phone Moto G04. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.